The Sundarbans is the largest contiguous mangrove forest in the world, spanning across the delta region of the Ganges, Meghna, and Brahmaputra river basins in the Bay of Bengal. Sundarbans Mangrove Forest is located near the Sundarbans World Heritage Site in India, which is 4,000 square kilometers out of 10,000 square kilometers is owned by India and was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997. Take a train from Canning and from there, take a bus to Namkhana, then board a ferry or boat to the Sundarbans. The distance from Kolkata Airport to the Sundarbans is approximately 175 kilometers. High tides in the Sundarbans play a crucial role in the mangrove ecosystem. During these times, it is dangerous for fishermen to navigate the waters. Strong currents and increased depth can submerge fishing grounds and disrupt traditional fishing methods. The tidal fluctuations, which can rise up to 3 to 5 meters, bring nutrient-rich sediments that nourish the mangrove trees. The submerged landscape significantly contributes to the health and sustainability of the mangrove ecosystem. Low tide is the ideal time to reveal the intricate mangrove root system. Including new metaphors, snake roots, knee roots, and stilt roots which help with oxygenation and prevent soil erosion. During high tides, tidal currents and waves constantly batter the coastline, and water flows over the land's surface, which is vulnerable to erosion without a mangrove root system. Mudflats or tidal flats form where sediment accumulates during low tide and gradually forms rivers and creeks through sediment deposition and tidal dynamics. The process is called accretion. Over time, this accumulation channelizes water flow during high tide, creating new river channels and tributaries, facilitating nutrient transport and supporting diverse aquatic life. The Sundarbans teem with a wide variety of wildlife, including diverse reptiles and amphibians thriving in the unique mangrove ecosystem. Other prominent inhabitants include saltwater crocodiles, wild boars, otters, spotted deer, roaming amidst dense mangrove thickets. The Royal Bengal Tiger symbolizes resilience and survival and navigates through tidal waterways and dense foliage. Locals frequently hang human clothes as warnings or alerts in the proximity of Royal Bengal Tiger activity. The place is significant for its fossil records, revealing ancient marine life and geological history, offering valuable insights into the region's evolution and past environmental changes. Studying these fossils contributes to understanding the Sundarbans' biodiversity and climate history. Conservation efforts balance sustainable tourism, ensuring ecological integrity and wildlife survival. It supports livelihoods through fishing, honey collection, and ecotourism. However, residents face challenges like cyclones, erosion, and human-wildlife conflict, impacting agriculture and fishing. After acquiring permission from the State Forest Department, a group of men roam in creaky boats and collect honey from the forest. Fishing sustains livelihoods for many communities in the region, providing a vital source of income and food.